Searching the OED, Advanced Search. Advanced searches can be run as a continuation of the quick search by clicking the Advanced Search button or by following one of the suggested search links. Or the query can start as an advanced search by clicking the Advanced Search link in the navigation bar. Let's continue a quick search as an advanced search first. Suggested onward searches are listed on the right-hand side. Clicking on one of these will take you to the set of results matching that query. The options include where the search term appears in a quotation, author name, work title, or within a quotation text, all the different meanings of the search term, all definitions containing the search term, all etymologies containing the search term, and all the instances of the search term within the historical thesaurus. Clicking the Advanced Search button loads the full set of search results. Results are separated into four tabs containing results matching on the head word in the dictionary, that is, the dictionary entry for that word, results matching on one of the meanings of the word within a dictionary entry, results matching on a quotation cited within a dictionary entry, and results matching word within the historical thesaurus. Let's take a look at the first tab, which is the default tab. This tab returns all dictionary entries that contain the word originally searched for in the entry head word. So, a search for rhythm will return the dictionary entry for rhythm, as well as the entries for sinus rhythm, rhythm section, etc. The results will be sorted in order of their frequency in English, so the most common words will appear first. This sort order can be changed using the drop-down at the top of the results. The results set can be expanded or filtered using the items in the left-hand panel. To expand the query, simply click Add Term, and then a Boolean operation can be used to add or exclude further terms. Results can also be limited by date, so that only words used or coined in a particular period are returned. Results can then be filtered further by their part of speech, type of formation, language of origin, etc. The results returned in the Entries tab will always be for dictionary headwords, i.e., dictionary entries. Dictionary entries are made up of one or more senses, which contain the definition of each sense or meaning of the headword, and the quotations used as usage evidence for those meanings. Let's take a look at the Meanings tab. This returns results at the sense level, so we'll return all meanings for the submitted search term, and also return all sense level lemmas containing the search term. This result set will be sorted alphabetically by default, but again can be resorted by using the dropdown. Similar to the Entries tab, the can be further expanded or refined using the content in the left-hand panel. OED's 3.5 million quotations can also be searched from this page. The quotations are used as supporting evidence for sense definitions and in themselves constitute a rich body of text to analyze and explore. Again, filters can be applied so that if I want to find a list of quotations containing words used by a particular author or from particular text sources, I can do so. To start a search query as an advanced search, or to browse the dictionary and apply filters without providing a specific text query, you can click on the Advanced Search link in the header. This returns every word, meaning, or quotation in the dictionary, which can then be narrowed down by date, formation, part of speech, language of origin, etc., just as before. Specific terms can be searched for using the text query builder again as before. If you create a personal account, you can save searches to your profile to run again later. Additionally, if you have a subscription, you can export results up to 1,000 for analysis offline. OED's search functionality will be available to you regardless of your subscription status.